Hi viewers! AI images created by Midjourney and other text-to-image generators have been popular for a while. In this video, I want to share an AI image generator like Midjourney with you guys. It supports text-to-image, image-to-image, up to 4K high-definition output and no special GPU or CPU requirement. I will cover other features later in this video. Now let us jump into the guide. The AI image generator is a new feature built in HitPaw Video Converter. To access it, we need to open HitPaw Video Converter. Click on the Toolbox module, and we can find the AI Art Generator. Click to open it. This is the main interface. We can clearly tell different areas, including the output, prompt, image upload, size setting, resolution setting, and style options. So the first thing we want to do is writing a prompt. The button here can generate random prompt for you if you don't know what to write. And we can change the prompt based on the generated one, like describing some of our own imagination. I have written down this prompt as an example. Next, we want to choose a suitable image size and resolution. Here are different aspect ratios to select. The 1:1 aspect ratio can support up to 2K resolution, while the 16:9 ration can support up to 4K ultra high definition. What's more, the generation won't consume your GPU or CPU calculation power as it runs on the online server, so you can actually pick higher resolution for better result. Next, here are dozens of popular art style options. They can help you decide what style you like to generate. Feel free to explore them to get different result. After setting up, click on the Generate button and wait for the images to appear. This won't take too long. The AI image generator will generate 2 images by default. That's looking fine, close to the prompt of a backpack man with brown messy hair. If you'd like to save the image to local file, click on the button on the right bottom to save it. And you can change the file path from here. That's what it looks like when we open it on local file. We get a very high resolution AI image. If you want to generate more images based on the same prompt, click on the Generate button again, repeat the process to get more AI images. Let us change a prompt and generate again. This time we are using the 16:9 aspect ratio and 4K resolution, CG style. We get a very cool scene of ships sailing on rough sea. We can also generate realistic portrait images using the 9:16 aspect ratio with 4K resolution. The images vary from various prompt. Play around with art styles can also create astonishing result. Now we want to look into the image-to-image feature. Click on the Add Image icon and import one image. Then type in some prompt such as watercolor style. Accordingly, select watercolor as the art style. The AI will generate an image with similar poses in different style. This can help you turn an image into various style easily. To a certain extent, you can generate all kinds of images depending on the prompt, game style, 3D style, painting style, all included. Alright, this is the guide of this AI image generator. As usual, you can find the official link in the description. I hope you enjoy this video. Oh, there are other useful tools out there waiting to be explored besides the AI image generator. If you'd like to know more, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It will be a big support for me. Stay tuned and see you soon.